What a public humiliation. How CBN Governor Emefiele arrested like a criminal, see handcuffs with DSS officer that got Nigerians talking. The Department of State Services, DSS, has officially acknowledged the arrest of Godwin Emefiele, the suspended governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN. This revelation comes after initial contradictions from the DSS, who had previously denied his custody. According to reports, Emefiele was apprehended on Saturday, June 10th, a day after he was suspended from office. Sources with reliable information have disclosed that following his arrest on Friday evening, Emefiele was swiftly transported by the DSS from Lagos to the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. It has been revealed that the embattled CBN governor was intercepted as he was making an escape bid through the land border in Lagos. This latest development shed light on previous reports by Sahara reporters, which had earlier highlighted Emefiele's arrest coinciding with his suspension by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I beg your pardon. The suspension of Emefiele was promptly by an ongoing investigation into his office and the planned reforms within the financial sector. The Director of Information for the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Willie Bassi, issued a statement directing Emefiele to relinquish his responsibilities to the Deputy Governor Operations Directorate until the investigation and reforms are concluded. Earlier reports had indicated that the DSS had made previous unsuccessful attempts to apprehend Emefiele. However, their efforts were trapped when soldiers provided by the Chief of Defense Staff, General Lucky Irabo, were deployed to safeguard Emefiele's residence and office. The DSS intensified its investigations into allegations of terrorism financing and fraud, with Emefiele being the primary target of interest. In January, Sahara reporters also reported on Irabo's alleged interference in the DSS investigation by shading Emefiele upon his return from the United Kingdom. Emefiele was accompanied by a substantial military escort and managed to enter his office amidst heightened security measures. The situation escalated into a standoff between the DSS officials and the soldiers provided by the Chief of Defense Staff at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport in Abuja. Court documents obtained by Sahara reporters in February revealed additional details implicating Emefiele in the funding of unknown gunmen responsible for creating unrest in Nigerian southeast region. The investigation uncovered allegations that Emefiele diverted public funds and utilized resources intended for his failed presidential campaign in 2022 to finance this group. According to the DSS, Emefiele engaged in actions that pose a threat to the security of the Nigerian state and participated in a crime or a criminal conspiracy to divert government resources for suspicious acts of terrorism financing. The DSS alleged that these actions were intended to subvert and sabotage the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari. Government sources have also linked Emefiele to a well-known terror financier, alleging that he sent funds to facilitate transfers to controversial Islamic cleric Ahmed Gumi. Gumi has gained notoriety for his association with terrorists and bandits and has advocated for amnesty to be granted to them. Taku Mamo, an associate of Gumi, was reportedly arrested and detained by Interpol in Egypt in 2022, while allegedly rumored to meet international terrorists in Saudi Arabia. The DSS has concluded a preliminary investigation into Emefiele's activities, revealing allegations of terrorism financing and fraudulent practices. Nigerians, you've all heard it now. And Nigerians who have reacted to this said, I don't know where Emefiele chopped this own wizard. He changed money, Nigerians did not see their money. He carried almost all the money to change to the terrorists. Many Nigerians died because of this. They could not access their own money. So Emefiele is worse than a criminal. Emefiele is more than a criminal. He is a criminal. He's a murderer and he's a terrorist. He needs to be brought to book. God will not allow him go unpunished. Imagine a CBN governor used Nigerian money, brought presidential tickets. He bought presidential tickets and was sponsoring and trusting terrorists to put him in power. Shame to you, Emefiele, helpless criminal. God has exposed you. These are reactions. Very good for him. Oh. Where is Buhari? Let him come and help you now. Make DSS stress and small the way we were stressed by him. You will learn your lesson. Buhari is now in his own turn. Look at where are you passing through. Okay, guys, these are some reactions from Nigerians. As you can see, Nigerians are not happy with Governor Emefiele's, activities during the Naira redesign policy and all that. Nigerians, we actually went through here. So many persons died in that scenario. But I'm still saying this, that President Muhammadu Buhari should not go free as well. I'm dropping it here, guys. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you.